Hi everyone, here we've got the EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to change the video quality, the video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and right now we have to tap on the options in order to switch the mode to the video mode. So let's tap on the options, and on the second position we've got video mode, so let's tap on it. Since you can see this red oval inside the shutter button and the camera icon, then we can tap on the options again, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got video quality, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. Right now we've got HD option applied, and you can set it because this option is marked, but we can also set FHD, VGA and CIF, so it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. All you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to apply. So let me pick, for example, FHD, and as you can see we just got back to the camera, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. Obviously we can enter the options again in order to check, and as you can see the chosen option is marked. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.